Hello everybody, this is Poppy with Nani and Poppy Doing Stuff. And this is the 1959 International truck that I'm working on. Done a lot of work to it already. The gentleman I bought it from, he already had done a lot of work to it, so I'm just picking up where he left off. So far, under the hood, new wires, plugs, distributor, everything inside it, new hoses. I've got a new water pump ordered. This one, the shaft, if you can see it, is not supposed to do that. Carburetor, ended up ordering a whole new carburetor, taking all the guts out of that one and matching them up to the old carburetor, Holly single barrel, and finally got it working right. Battery, what else? Alternator was getting really hot. It's a single wire alternator, so I went and bought another one of those. I'm finding a lot of my parts at O'Reilly's. They've been really good to help me, but some of it I'm having to order online. Inside is gutted. Some of the old hubcaps there. Bed's off. I've got the brake systems totally tore apart. I am gonna repack my seals while I'm this far. I've got all new brake parts except for two little widgets that I'm gonna reuse because I can't find them easily. That'll be front, back. You can see the rust that came off of some of this stuff. That's why I ordered new. There's a homemade bumper on the back of this thing I'm gonna probably take off and do something else with. You'd be hard pressed to ever get that straight again. This is not gonna be a show truck. It's gonna be a cool truck. I do need a gas tank. As you can see, I need a gas tank. The doors open and close beautifully. I'm using the famous boat tank for my gas. That's kind of what I got going on. There'll be more updates. Interesting little tidbit right there. That's the parking brake. I'm still trying to figure out. I got some linkage mixing on that. The parking brake actually goes at the back of the transmission, and I'm trying to find all the parts to make that work. Maybe a good luck thing. But that's what we got. Got a bunch of stuff to make crappie habitat, so I'm going to be making another video about. There'll be more to come. Alright, here's the rest of the truck parts, big parts, on my old trailer. As you can see, the seat's in great shape. The frame, the fenders, the hood, the bed. Up underneath here, I got the tailgate. I got the front bumper, which is pretty torqued. I may just make something new for it. These were rails that went along the sides of the bed. This was a work truck, a farm truck. So there's gonna have a lot of work truck tendencies to it when I get done with it. More to come. Alrighty. All these boxes are full of parts, pieces, new window seals, an extra hubcap, light rings, the dash. This was actually the old glove box liner. Then over here, this box is a complete seal kit for that 6-cylinder engine, the Black Diamond 240. I got new glass for the back and the sides. I've got a windshield coming from Canada. We're not going to discuss how much that cost to get here. There's the door panels, inside door panels down there. So I got parts and pieces everywhere. It's gonna be like a jigsaw puzzle getting this all put back together. Oh, and there's the front grill. Yeah, that's what we got. Alright, we got the new alternator on, hooked back up down there to the starter. Got my highly technical hot wire going to my ignition and connecting to everything else. Let's see if she'll crank. Give it a little gas. And until I get the water pump, that's all I'm going to do is just short little spurts. You can see the water starting to come out. See the moisture. It's just barely doing it, but I ain't going to take any chances. Everything is lining up right for the whole picture for the motor. So, hey, I like it. Well, it's the end of the day. I kind of might be, sort of got carried away. I was trying to get ready to change out the water pump. I said, well, let me just see if I can pull this front cowling off. And then it turned into, man, it'd make it easier to work on this thing if all this was gone. And then it turned into, man, I might even take the cab off. Let's see what happens. Stay tuned for more happiness. But we're ready for the water pump. I can reach everything. I got a lot of cleaning to do. I'm going to do the frame while I got it stripped down this far. We're going to get it ready to put back together. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Subscribe. These are my big helpers. Anya's showing out. That's Anya. That's Bonnie, the shop dog. Y'all may have met her before. And we're calling it a day.